Here's how to check if your Wi-Fi network is visible or hidden. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your mobile phone, either it's Android or iPhone. Now click on the network connections or Wi-Fi options. Now if you see that you are connected to the internet connection, that means that your Wi-Fi is visible. Now you can go ahead and turn it off or turn on the toggle button to check if it's really visible on your phone. As you can see, it is very visible on my end. That means that it is visible and not hidden. For you to avoid to your Wi-Fi connection or network has been hidden is to make sure that you are going to notify to ask and join networks. On the auto join hotspot, make sure that it is always on the automatic options and not on never, so that whenever you need Wi-Fi, it will automatically connect on you. Next is on the control panel, you can always make sure that the toggle button Wi-Fi is on the blue.